Toast ka muna, 5 minutes. Late naman ng air fryer natin. Five minutes lang, 400. Para lang may konting toast flavor.
Dahan-dahan ko masyado matulog.
Hey! Hey! Granules. Okay. Okay. Isang ano lang, isang takip. Olive oil. And then water.
Tanchameters.
Ganyan. Okay, go. Sayang, hindi pula. Wala kasing red bell pepper. Okay. It's time.
It's time.
Maliligo ka na, boy.
Diyan ka muna, boy. Sana masarap ka, ha?
Dapat din naman yung kuhatan ng paprika. Yung sakto lang. Hindi lang talaga siya pula, so wala tayong red bell pepper.
Pwede naman yun mamaya.
Ano to? Peri-peri green.
Oh, that's nice.
See you later, alligator.
Gano'n tayo.
Tubig galing sa paso, biber.
Turmeric.
Okay, sige pa. Para masarap.
Tapos,
Magic sarap.
konti na sarap. Para malinamnam.
Wala, nagbabarise na.
Luin para mag-incorporate.
Buong bloke.
Hindi mamaya. Pag kumukulo.
Okay, sayang na.
Kain na po.
See you in a bit. Welcome! Hello!
Oh, lala.
Kala mo malinis yung
Mas gusto niya talagang pamayin kaysa...
Okay, it's time.
Kaya?
See you later, alligator.
Okay, good.
Hindi siya nagpula talaga. Shit. Kaso baka mainit.
Wow. Okay.
Let's eat, bruh.
Kain.
Peri-peri.
Or enroll your Bank of America checking account to get started. B of A Rewards. What would you like the power to do? Bank of America.
Introducing the new $10 Crispy Farm Pan from Pizza Hut. It's the original pan you love, taken to the next level. That crispy golden brown crust with a
Jabba
cheesy
rice.
crunch. Try a $10 medium Crispy Farm Pan for a limited time, only at Pizza Hut.
Thank you.
This summer,